Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll show you step by step how to recover deleted files in Dropbox in 2025. This is very useful if you remove something by mistake and want to get it back. Let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your Dropbox account. Once you are inside, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Here click on Deleted Files. This page is where Dropbox keeps all your removed items for a limited time. Now you will see a list of files and folders that were deleted. If the list is long, you can use the search bar at the top to find a specific file by name. This saves you time if you have many documents. When you find the file or folder you want to restore, hover your mouse over it. On the right side, you will see the option Restore. Click it, and Dropbox will immediately place the file back in its original location. If you are using a free or standard plan, Dropbox keeps deleted files for up to 30 days. If you are using a professional or business plan, the recovery period may be longer. This is good to know in case you are working on large projects or team files. After restoring, go back to your regular files section. Check the folder where the item was before deletion. You will see the file or folder appear again, ready to use, and that's it. That is how you recover deleted files in Dropbox in 2025. A simple process that can save you if you ever delete something important. For more tutorials just like this one, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned.